Yo, what's up, world? This is OneDeep's Mr. Show them boys, Texas Rangers Entertainment. This is part 4 of OneDeep's full restoration, 1965 Oldsmobile Regency 98, man. On part 2 and 3, we were working on the front end and the front brakes. That's now complete. We're now working on the rear end and the rear brakes. This is part 4, OneDeep's 1965 Olds Regency 98 full restoration, Jack. Tell me what. As you can see, the front end is put back together, and we're now working on the rear end. New rear end, new brakes, everything. Total complete, man. Front end, back, man. Full restoration, man. This is a 1965 Olds Regency 98. The next step is going to be the body work and then the interior. OneDeep's 1965 Olds Regency 98 full restoration. Getting the rear end and the rear brakes together. Front end and front brakes are already complete. I showed y'all a little bit of that on part 2 and 3. This is part 4, OneDeep's full restoration, 1965 Olds Regency 98. Like I told y'all on part 2 and 3, y'all ain't gonna see this pull on the side of the road. Drums ready for the back. I already sprayed with that high temp paint, man. You gotta spray your drums and your rotors with that high temp paint, man. Front done. Front end put back together, baby. We're on the back now. Complete restoration, man. 1965. This is 65 here, man. New carburetor, tune up, battery, everything, man. 455, big block. Tell me what? Big block. Yeah. 1965 Olds Regency 98, full restoration, baby. OneDeep Mr. Show them boys, Texas Rangers Entertainment, man. Just back checking on it again, man. This is 65 here, man. Front complete. Now we're on the back, man. We on to the back now, man. Next, we're gonna get that body work right, man. And that interior, man. Gator seats, baby, just like in the Cadillac, just like in my Cadillac, man. Tell 'em what. Full restoration, 1965 Oldsmobile Regency 98. Tell 'em what. Get that rear end right, man. OneDeep Mr. Show them boys, Texas Rangers Entertainment. Y'all take care, man. Later.